together after 16 long years, laughing at the past with jokes and beers. JEC legends, class of '04, each hostel a story, let's settle the score. Hostel 1, the bookworms, always so stressed, burn the midnight oil but never impressed. Brain so fried from all the tries, but success, oh no, it passed them by. Always in the background, never in the front, even now they still pull the same old stunt. Hostel 2, the sporty kings of the ground, football's the only place they were ever found. Math and physics, a complete no-show, but on the field they gave a good blow. Hey, hey, the gang's all here, Kaziranga's wild, let's make it clear. Raise a toast to the stories we own, JEC boys, we've all grown. We're the legends, the fools, the geeks, the vibes, JEC boys, one crazy tribe. Kaziranga nights under the stars, 16 years later, we're still rock stars. Postal 3, man, what did they do? A mystery, bro, with no breakthrough. Neither in sports nor cultural fame, they're like a ghost, do you remember their name? Hostel 4, oh, the cultural stars, with booze and guitars, they raised the bar. Sports and arts they claim with pride, but mostly it was rum and soda inside. Hostel 5, the chillers, laid back crew, always sipping shy with nothing to do. Stress-free living they pass somehow, lazy geniuses, they own it now. Hostel 6, the nerds who stayed low, silent and smart, they let the codes flow. Always in the shadows, playing it sly, but they hack their way to the sky. Hey, hey, the gang's all here, Kaziranga's wild, let's make it clear. Raise a toast to the stories we own, JEC boys, we've all grown. We're the legends, the fools, the geeks, the vibes, JEC boys, one crazy tribe. Kaziranga nights under the stars, 16 years later, we're still rock stars. Hostel 7, oh those techie flirts, sliding into hearts with sugar alerts. Coding by day, romancing by night, their game with the girls was always tight. Hostel 8, the wildest of all, dogs disappeared when they heard their call. Weed and chaos, their parties were strong. Eating dogs, bro, that's just wrong. The stories remain, JEC legends, forever insane. Kaziranga nights, we're here to stay. Raise your glass, let's party away. We're the legends, the fools, the geeks, the vibes, JEC boys, one crazy tribe. Kaziranga nights under the stars, 16 years later, we're still rock stars. Kaziranga nights 2024.